We begin this evening with news that teachers may stay off the job for 3 days starting tomorrow. Teachers have been protesting the 16% wage increase by the government, saying it's not enough. But the government insists that's the best they can do. As we hear in this report, the Education Ministry is therefore placing some parents on standby mode.
The teachers are tired.
President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, Georgia Wall Richards, at a press conference on Friday as she closed captioned the frustrating wage negotiation process with the government. The Finance Ministry has decided to pay teachers the 16% wage increase over 4 years, even though the JTA has rejected it.
The government is unable to make a better wage offer at this time.
And that statement on Friday from Finance Minister Audley Shaw may have been the tipping point. TVJ News understands that the teachers may go on a sick-out from Monday to Wednesday of this week to show the government they are upset with the continuous disrespect being shown to them. In a release from the Office of the Prime Minister on Sunday, the government reiterated it cannot improve the wage offer to public sector workers. To satisfy the demands, the government said it would have to increase taxes, and such an increase would have a bad impact on the economy. In his budget presentation on Thursday, the Finance Minister announced there would be no new taxes in the upcoming fiscal year. Meanwhile, the Education Ministry has taken note of the possible 3-day sick-out by teachers, saying it has put contingency plans to ensure the safety and security of students in 750 primary and junior high schools and 171 high schools. Regional response teams are on standby alert to take charge of classes tomorrow, Monday, March 12. At the end of the day, students will be sent home with an advisory indicating whether or not school will reopen on Tuesday.
Parents with students at special education schools and departments, as well as infant schools and infant departments, will be alerted through the media, telephone calls, and the school SMS to collect their children at school as soon as they are advised of industrial action. They'll be further advised whether they are to keep their children home for the period of the industrial action.